In this video, you'll learn how to trade on OKX, specifically tailored for beginners. By the end of this tutorial, you will understand how to navigate the app, select a trading pair, and execute buy and sell orders. To start, open the OKX app on your mobile device. Once the app is launched, look for the bottom menu where you will see various options. Tap on Exchange to access the trading interface. This will bring you to the main trading screen where you can view different trading pairs. Next, you will need to select a coin pair to trade, locate the markets button on the screen and tap it. This will open a list of available trading pairs. To find a specific pair, such as BT/LSU, PT/LSUSD, use the search function at the top of the market screen. Type in BTC/US.2, any other coin pair you wish to trade, and tap on it when it appears in the search results. This action will take you to the detailed view of the selected trading pair. Now that you've selected your trading pair, you can proceed to make a trade. To buy, tap on the buy button on the trading screen. A prompt will appear asking you to enter the amount you wish to purchase in USDT. After entering the desired amount, review your entry to ensure accuracy and then tap confirm to finalize your purchase. It is important to check your available balance before confirming the transaction to avoid any issues. If you later decide to sell your assets, the process is similar. Tap on the sell button on the trading screen. A new prompt will appear asking for the amount you wish to sell. Enter the desired amount and then tap confirm to complete the sale. Keep in mind that market conditions can affect the selling price and the time it takes for the transaction to process. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.